Oh my god, why is this? I'm getting out this far. You could climb the fence if you tried.
We're playing Grand Theft Auto.
No, don't record and stop.
Hey, Emelina, do you want to use this phone?
Oh yeah.
Right here.
Oh, the number. Oh no, he's going back for a car. Just take this for your crap.
I'm recording.
Here.
Cinnamon! You're my fatty. Huh, you're my fatty. She's so fat. Keep playing till I'm done recording. We fell in love in a hopeless place.
I lost my cross. Not here, but.
That's Skate City? Dude, yeah, last night we went to Skate City. I do not. I'm gonna take a shower. Oh, yeah.
To be over there like, ow! Max!
What the fuck is that? What is that?
What socks? Because
You just put your socks in your shirt. Yeah. Say goodbye. Wait, who are you?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Alright, her name is Emelina, but you could call her Emily. Zoe, move Max. So you can say bye.
Max. Let me record.
Say bye.
Bye. You get to say bye. Why? Bye.
Peace out, niggas.
Isn't that cool?